And the Champion Services winner is the Shower Repair Centre. Well done.
Well done, guys. Can I just also say that there is a table up in that back left corner, second in. I just want to be up drinking with them tonight. They are having the world's best time. Well done, guys. Let's talk about the Shower Repair Centre in Brookvale. This business addressed the problem of leaking showers across many industries, including strata residential and builders. Having operated for more than 21 years, they've achieved substantial business growth by delivering quality service from their dedicated and committed team. The Champion Services, the Shower Repair Centre, Brookvale. Congratulations.
I'm going to make it short. Thank you.